This homemade spaghetti sauce with tomatoes fresh out of my garden was absolutely delicious. I chopped and cored about 3 pounds of fresh tomatoes. The varieties I used were Roma, Creole, and Bella Rosa. Put the tomatoes onto a baking dish with some red onion, garlic, and a ton of olive oil. Now season it however you want, but I'm gonna use my Brits Cooking garlic and herb. It has sea salt, red pepper flakes, oregano, thyme, all the good stuff. Bake on 450 for 30 minutes. Once your tomatoes start to collapse, you know they're done. Now add all of the roasted veggies to a food processor and pulse into your desired consistency. Now that your sauce is done, you can brown down a pound of ground meat, season it however you like. I added an onion and bell pepper, and then you can pour in that sauce. I added about 1.5 cups of water to that same container, and I'm just gonna pour that in and let it simmer. Taste it as you go. I added a tablespoon of sugar and a good bit of salt. By now, y'all should know the longer it cooks, the better it will taste. Let me know if you try it. This is so good, y'all.